Hello, welcome to another Seiler Instrument Quick Tip. I'm Holly Urbane with Seiler Instrument Wisconsin, and I'm going to talk about something that's been in Trimble Access since inception. It's called Section of Job, and you use it when you're exporting. When you select Menu, pick your job, and go to the Export, if you pick a format like a comma-delimited CSV, you have a lot of typical, all the points, some of the points. Down near the bottom, there's something called Section of Job. If you pick this option, it wants to know a starting point and an ending point. If I go to review this particular job, it always comes in at the bottom. If I scroll to the top, you can see in this job they started collecting some points on January 12th of 2023. As I scroll through the job, I can see exactly when this data was collected. It's February, all the way down into March. When you're using the Section of Job export method, the point numbers are going to be very important. This numbering came to me through a Wisconsin DOT project. You can see it's the year, 2024, the month, May 30th, and then the first shot that we take is 001. End of the day, it's wherever it falls. If you take more than 1,000 shots in a day, you might want to add an extra 0 to this 001. Then you have up to 9,999 shots to take in a day. Well, using the Section of Job method, I can pick a particular day, like May 30th, and just give me all the points that were collected on May 30th. If we back up one step, and I do points within a name range, it only gives me the points that actually fall, like if I say 1 to 100, it's going to give me the points from 1 to 100. Well, what if I went off and did a few points in the 10,000 range, or some check shots or stakeout points that were in the 5,000 range? What this Section of Job allows you to do is collect a starting point, 23, 03, 10, 001, that's the first shot of the day, then do whatever you want, whatever naming you want, and then whatever the last point you take on the end of that day, you will get everything in that section of the job. So the points don't have to match, they don't have to line up, they don't have to even be in order, and it will give you all of those points. So if I do Section of Job, and I use the point 23, 03, 15, 001 as my starting point, and I'm going to go to point 23, 03, 16, 154. So I'm just going to get 2 days worth of data out of this particular job. It's going to write a CSV. Now, if we look at that CSV, you can see most of the topo shots were taken, but there were a few extra shots that weren't actually in that naming range, but it was in that section of the job, so it ends up in our CSV. Thanks for watching.